Psychologist Lisa DeBrine has spent years analyzing male and female faces. She works at the University of Aberdeen in Scotland in the foremost face research lab in the world. Like Kendra Schmid, Lisa breaks down the human face into its component parts: the eyes, nose, mouth, and skin.
These are pictures of an average woman and an average man. They're made from averaging together 60 different student-aged Caucasian women or men. And they can show us what differences there are between male and female faces. The female faces have a slightly smaller jaw. It's less squared than the male jaw. And they have thinner brows than these thicker brows that men have. Men have a more sort of square hairline.
But DeBrine doesn't just analyze faces, she creates new ones, taking real people, then exaggerating certain features.
Here's an individual woman's face, and we can make her face more masculine. You can see her jaw getting slightly larger, her eyes seem to narrow, and the eyebrows come down. And you can see then, as we make her face more feminine, the jaw tends to get thinner, the eyebrows get thinner and come up.
Which of these faces do you find more attractive? This one or this one? DeBrine tested the masculinized, feminized, and unaltered faces on numerous subjects. 81% of the men preferred the more feminine woman, and a majority of women preferred the manlier man. The differences between men's and women's faces are caused by the sex hormones.
When children are young, boys' and girls' faces are really similar, but they start to change at puberty, and boys' faces, they get longer, the jaw gets bigger, the brows get heavier, and this is all due to the action of testosterone. A very masculine face in a man suggests that he has high testosterone, and a woman's face that's very feminine suggests that she has higher female hormones like progesterone and estrogen, and has a healthy reproductive system.
Most of us seem to be drawn to members of the opposite sex who got a strong dose of sex hormones during puberty. These faces indicate good health and fertility.
When we say someone looks attractive, what we're actually saying is that that person probably has good genes. That person is probably reproductively healthy. If I pair up with that individual and we have children, that those children will do quite well.